Hey guys, welcome back to the DelftStack, and today I will be showing you how to add Chinese in PowerToys Windows 11. So first things first, make sure to download the Microsoft PowerToys into the Microsoft Store, and you can just simply open it up. And now over here, when you go to the settings of the PowerToys settings, as you can see here on the general, and from here you will have an option language, and you will have the option Windows default, and you will have an option over here whether it is Chinese simplified or Chinese traditional. And pretty much over here you will just simply go ahead and select restart. And after that, as you can see, when you try to open up the Microsoft PowerToys again, it is now on different settings. Now guys, the second alternative is changing directly on the Windows settings. So you could just simply go to your settings and then go for the time and language over here, and you will have language and region. And from here you could just simply select add a language, and after that you could just simply type your language over here. And as you can see, you will have multiple options over here, so there will be more options. And once you have done that, it will be added over here, as you can see. And when you go ahead and click on the three dots over here, make sure to move the English down, and make sure to move the Chinese upwards. And once you have done that, you should be able to have here English, Windows display language, and make sure to select the Chinese. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.